keeping your new La-Z-Boy furniture in tip-top shape can really help its longevity. So here are 6 essential accessories that you can use with your new furniture.
If you've purchased wood furniture like a dining table or a coffee table from La-Z-Boy, then you definitely want to take a look at this first item. Murphy's Oil is a non-abrasive, gentle soap-based cleaner that can be safely used to clean your wood surfaces and maintain its beautiful shine. It's been a well-known brand for over 100 years. A lot of you probably have heard of it before, and you can find it basically anywhere you shop. Next on our list is the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. This steam cleaner is perfect to keep your furniture clean from everyday life, especially if your household is full of children and or animals. It comes with a 17-piece accessory kit as well, which helps you get basically anywhere and clean anything that you need, whether it's the car, the living room, a bedroom, or any of your furniture. It makes it a lot easier to use. It uses superheated steam that reaches up to about 275 degrees. And as they say, it kills 99% of bacteria and viruses without using any chemicals. A leather cleaner and conditioner will not only protect new furniture, but it will breathe new life into old furniture. The cleaner and conditioner kit from the chemical guys is colorless and odorless, which will ensure that the natural leather scent and color are left intact. Leather definitely needs to be cared for, and La-Z-Boy recommends that you clean and polish your furniture at least twice a year, and this will protect the natural oils on the skin of the leather. And if you don't take care of your leather, whether it's top grain or split hide, it doesn't matter how much you paid for it. It will eventually damage, peel, and crack. So make sure that you are taking care of your leather before it's too late. If you have hardwood floors, this next one is definitely going to help you, as we're going to cover some Scotch felt pads. Making sure you have pads on the feet of your furniture is a must, especially if you have hardwood floors. If you don't, you can always grab these felt pads. They are really inexpensive, and you can adhere them effortlessly to the legs of your furniture, which will provide a buffer and protect from nicks and dents and scratches. They also make the furniture easier to move around as well, because they're usually rounded and a smooth edge. Another common problem you might run into with your furniture is going to be fabric pills. If you have fabric furniture like a rug or pillows, or your sofas, recliners are made with a fabric cover, then you may have noticed this before. What it is loose strands will collect and form into a ball and come up to the surface of your piece of furniture. The quickest and easiest way to deal with these fabric pills is to get a defuzzer or a shaver of some type. The Conair Fabric Defuzzer is an inexpensive battery-operated device that will shave off the top layer of your fabric pills. Using this device is completely safe, does not harm the rest of your furniture. It just grabs those loose pills and collects them into a reservoir that you can just dump into the trash. Really easy to use and a little bit fun too. My favorite item on this entire list is the ChomChom Roller. I personally have a 60-pound caisson, so I am always battling armies of fur balls all over my furniture, all over my clothes, everywhere in my life. So the easiest way I've found to combat this is the ChomChom Roller. The roller will collect all the pet hair and lint from couches, beds, blankets, pretty much anything you could think of. It's really easy to use. We'll collect all the pet hair and everything into a dust receptacle, just like the Conair Fabric Defuzzer. And you can just go to the trash and dump it out. It is super easy to use, and you should definitely check it out if you have pets.
Using these various items on your La-Z-Boy furniture can help keep it clean, fresh, and looking brand new, even though you've been using it for years. If you've used any of these items, let us know how it worked out down below in the comment section.